Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this Bushflake flower in growing garden game of Roblox in the Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Bushflake looks like. And before we check the base value of this plant, I'm going to show you how you can get the Bushflake seed. Oops, I'm turning into a penguin. Okay, no problem. If you want to get the bush flake seed, you need to complete the season pass. Okay, you need to reach level 14 to get the bush flake seed, or you can go to the store and you can buy the holiday seed pack, and from this holiday seed pack you will be able to get the bush flake seed. Okay, let me open the holiday seed pack guys. Okay, I'm going to show you what's inside the holiday seed pack. Oh, I got cryo rose. Okay, I didn't get the bush flake. Again, I'm going to bring you to my garden and show you the bush flake plant. Okay, this is the bush flake, this one guys, and I'm going to check the base value of the bush flake. Okay, oops, how can I talk to the NPC and how much this is worth? Oh, okay, it's around 60k shackles, and yeah, it's worth to keep in our garden. Okay guys, and that's all about the bush flake flower in growing garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.